Sound, then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free.
Hello guys, welcome back to our show. This is Toy Trendy Unbox, where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. I know it's been a hot minute and wala tayong bagong in-unbox, diba, lately? Kasi I was trying to always try to look for yung mga new worthy unboxing topics and items for you guys para hindi naman sayang yung panonood nyo, pero wala tayong masyadong nakikitang worthy enough na for the channel up until now. So meron tayong dumating na package na I'm pretty sure na magugustuhan, especially ng mga Gundam fans. So marami tayong in-unbox dati and binild na mga Gundams and other robots, mostly Gundams, you know, and mostly yung favorite natin na RX-78-2 na Gundam. And iba-iba yung nakita natin, may perfect grade, may standard grade, may mga SD or super deformed, pero this time eto na yata yung masasabi natin pinaka malaki na i-unbox natin and also i-build. And I'm talking about the 1:35 scale RX-78-2 Gundam. Pero pakita ko sa kanya, ganito kalaki yung kahon, hindi na ako kasya. Dito yung may code. Ito, ganito kalaki. Ganito kalaki yung kahon. Ito, puro runners yan. Makikita natin. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalaki mga runners. And I can't wait to build this for you and put this on display. Pero before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And yun, makikita nyo yung channel natin ngayon, it's undergoing some rather subtle changes. And maganda kasi yun maganda yung medyo we spice things up a bit. And makikita nyo may mga bago tayo uploads, minsan may mga musical videos. And yun, ay nakita nyo bago yung intro natin So give us a comment kung nagustuhan yung updated channel intro. So yun, tingnan nyo, panoorin natin. And again, ito, unbox natin, bibuild natin ito. Sana maganda-ganda yung resulta and the output, yung product. And makikita nyo, di ba? Third party siya. And yan. Without any further ado, wala na akong ibang sasabihin. Here we go!
So guys, ito nga yung kahon, no? Sobrang laki niya. At generic brown box lang siya. Wala siyang artwork, as you can see, obviously. So 7801 yung code niya. And yan, buksan na natin to para mabilisan. Makikita nyo, ikakater ko na. Ito na, nakahanda na rin yung natin tools for building. Kaya natin ito para makikita natin sa loob. Balita ko nga, sobrang lalaki daw na runners dito Pero ano mo, it's a good thing. Malaki yung mga runners para hindi ka mahirapan doon sa pag-cut and also pag-fit siguro. And ano pa ba? Yun. Actually, excited na nga ako makita ito. Mabuo Yan. Laki nga. Makikita mo yung mga parts. And marami rin. So, ito yung instruction booklet. Kung mahilig yung mag-build, model kit building, plamo, di ba? Yun ang term. Masasanay ka na lang din dyan pag nakita mo. masyadong ano. Okay to, direct to the point. Walang mga instructions. Makikita nyo blank na blank. Pero yung mga parts, mukha namang well, ano sila, illustrated. Yeah. So, 1:35 scale. Kita natin yan. Dami. Mga runners. Malalaki nga yung parts. So, gagawin natin kagaya ng mga previous episodes natin ng building. Papakita ko once na may nabuo tayong significant part yun. I-video ko and i-relay ko kung ano yung mga parts na yun. So, yun. Without any further ado, let's build this. So, guys, buhay naman. Tingnan nyo naman. Shield. Shield pa lang, laki na. So, kung mga dun sa previous ones that we built, mga RX-78, nahuhuli yung shield. This one, it comes first, diba? Bubuhay natin yung shield kaagad. And as you can see by the size of this one, this is one badass kit. So, yan, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung shield, ganito kalaki. Laki.
Sound, then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free, no longer restrained. In your light, I found my name. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. All my secrets laid bare, no longer locked. With you, I'm flying high, breaking the clocks. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. We're chasing dreams hand in hand. Through every storm we'll make our stand. Your smile's my compass, my guiding star. No matter how far we'll go where we are. Every step, every breath, it's a dance. In your eyes I found my chance. I'm breaking free, no longer restrained. In your light I found my name. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. All my secrets laid bare, no longer locked. With you I'm flying high, breaking the clocks. You got me so unwrapped. We're chasing dreams hand in hand. Through every storm we'll make our stand. Your smile's my compass, my guiding star. No matter how far we'll go where we are. Every step, every breath, it's a dance. In your eyes I found my chance. I'm free, no longer restrained.
Okay guys, so finally I was able to finish all of the parts, the assembly of this sub. The 1:35 scale RX-78-2 Gundam. Sobrang massive sobrang massive parts included in this particular build, and also parang na-underestimate natin itong build na to. Kala ko magiging madali lang. Madali naman siya, pero maraming challenges din na encounter tayo. So as you can see, and you may have observed, dinikit ko na rin yung decals kasi medyo ginanahan tayo dito sa project nito. And nakakaganda naman talaga yung mga decals dito pagdating sa finished product. So, gagawin na lang natin is i-assemble natin itong 1:35 scale Gundam, and tsaka natin i-discuss yung journey natin sa pag-build nitong awesome giant kit na to. Okay? So guys, finally, buo na nga ating 1:35 scale na RX-78-2 Gundam. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kalaki yan. Diba? Parang mga nasa close to 30 inches na yun. Sobrang saya i-build ito guys. Although marami rin tayong na-encounter na challenges, diba? Simulan natin sa mga challenges natin. Yung mga joints niyan sobrang higpit. sobrang higpit i-fit, which is also good thing kasi ibig lang sabihin nun hindi tinipid eh. Hindi siya cheapify na na build, no. Although third party to, usually ang in-expect natin sa third party, di ba, parang yung quality niya hindi up to par with the established ones na nakasanay na natin, like Bandai and Good Smile Company, ganyan Kotobukiya. Ito third party lang, China made, pero ang ganda ng quality niya. And yun nga, sinasabi ko, yung joints medyo challenging siya kasi hirap i-fit ng iba. Kailangan talaga ng force. So doon sa mga younger collectors out there, kailangan nyo ng adult supervision pag bubuuin nyo to. Also, makikita nyo ang saya maglagay ng decals pag ganito kalaki. So may provided na siya na water slide decals. Kung kilala nyo ako, tamad ako maglagay nun eh. Pero dito, ginanahan ako talaga. Actually, from the time na gumawa tayo ng Perfect Grade Unleashed, naalala nyo yung episode na yun, medyo ganado akong maglagay ng decals kasi nakikita ko na ang lakas niya makapag-enhance ng figure. Lalo na pag Gundam yung binubuo natin. So, eto nga siya, buo na siya. And, makikita nyo, may lights yan. So, maganda rito sa kit na to, may available siya LED, provided yung LED functionalities. May batteries din na kasama. So, yun pa yung isang challenge kasi tumagal ako doon sa pag-install ng electronic parts. Pero worth it naman. So, dito yan, may lights din yan, pati sa baril. Dahan-dahan lang tayo baka bumagsak si Gundam. Dito lang tayo sa may bedroom. But anyway, yan yan lang. So, makita nyo, may lights din yan. Mamaya papatay natin yung ilaw para makita natin buong buo yung yung totality ng effect ng lights. So, sa likod din yan, meron dito sa makikita natin. So, propulsor ba to? Propulsion system niya. Meron din yan ilaw. May ilaw din yan. Mamaya pakita natin lahat. Also, makikita nyo to, may bazooka na kasama yan, guys. Kita nyo, ang laki oh. So, talagang hours and hours of fun gagawin nyo dito. Siguro, it took me about, siguro, roughly, may 10 hours din, pagbuo. Pero, yun nga guys, ang buong-buo na siya. Mamaya sa montage, makikita nyo lahat. Okay? Saya-saya. Mamaya, i-compare natin siya doon sa ibang Gundam ba. Para makita nyo yung size. For size comparison, ito yung Perfect Grade Unleashed na binuo natin while back, diba? Astig, diba? Ganyan siya kalaki. Yung mga 12 inches. Ito yung binuo natin, 1:35 scale. Kita nyo naman kung gaano kalaki ito compared sa kanya. Okay, so halos more than double. Ganyan siya kalaki. Pero diba, super detailed na to. Ito, hindi rin naman masama sa pagkaka-detail sa kanya. Kita nyo naman. So, ganyan siya kalaki. Ganyan ang size comp nila. Diba, astig. Ang laki. So, mamaya, tignan natin yung mga lights nitong itong bad boy na. Ito naman yung ilaw sa propulsion. So, na-activate sa via magnet. So, ito yun. Pag may magnet kayo, natapat nyo lang. Ito, pagpatay na. Yan o. Ganun din pag close. Galing, diba? High-tech. So, pag bubuksan nyo, tatapatan nyo lang magnet. Yan. Galing, diba? Dito rin sa laser. So, tatapatan nyo lang para mamatay at mabukas. Astig, diba?
Got me so unwrapped. unbox. We're chasing dreams hand in hand through every storm. We'll make our
Guys, that was our quick unboxing and review, and also a build of the RX 78 135 scale. Kita nyo naman, di na ako kasya sa frame. So wide shot ka agad. And sana mas marami pang dumating na ganitong figures or model kits. Kasi it's fun to build and also very challenging. Pero maganda yun. Maganda yung mga ganong klaseng build or model kits. Maraming hours of fun ang suspendio with this particular kit, and I can't wait for you to have this. Meron pa kaming mga 3 stock yata. So if you're interested, please do visit our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly, and please hit that subscribe button and also spread the word with regards to our channel, and hit that notification bell pa rin for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also watch out for other episodes. Makita nyo may mga konting pagbabago tayo sa channel, so watch out for other news, upcoming news pa rin tungkol sa channel natin. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you the next unboxing episode.